Erizoba kwatire kigombe cha nope bendera omukaruruko bwa president bwa Uganda Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu campaign ye yo kubanza mu district ya Tororo yagikorro mu cyare cya Nagongoro aho abebembezi abakwasibwe kadi ze kigombe basima Kyagulanyi ahabwo kubaherezo mugisha okuzombwe bebembezi bwe kigombe cha nope Kyagulanyi kwimuka kugamba n'abahagize be yabaraganisa kwija kutungura ebyentambura ebirumwe gari yo mwika nokwe kubashaba butamuhemukaho bitu bamuhereza obururu bwabo.
To run for president, but I'm doing this on your behalf. I'm doing this on behalf of the common people, on behalf of the young people of Uganda, on behalf of the poor people, on behalf of the ghetto people of Uganda. I'm doing this on your behalf.
Chungo tom matel maka ruwin jutindo soye mahani lipo bed mabe rijije rijitindo mopi ri Uganda madiki Uganda bed mutire
kuyargo muri Nagongoro yayiyongereye kuzo myanya ndijo aho yaba nagenda rukushaba abantu akaruru aha mihanda arukubagira ngo yaba president naije kubaretera empinda hinduka omitorre yabo.
I'm requesting you, first of all, don't lose hope.
That's why we win. We
know we voted in 2021 and they stole our election because they were hiding behind COVID. This time there's no COVID.
Jubilo upago bino bolo queen kujo kwala wa mobe bino ineno mwijo makere jubone ni covid rume ongole covid.
Kyagulanyi nyenchakare naija kusiba mu district ya Busia arukoronda karoro. Nde Edwin Ram habga TV West agachenchwire.